Greetings, I'm Professor K, and in this short video presentation we're going to see how we can use the get command inside of our Powershell to gather information about our server firewall. And although I am using Server 2019 as my platform for this demonstration, these commands will work across Server 2012, Server 2016, Server 2019, and even Windows 10. In a previous video, you saw how we used the Net command to pull information about our current configuration for our firewall. Well, we can do the same thing using Powershell, but using actual Powershell command. Now, this information is testable, and you will find that these questions about this particular get command and its usage could be found inside of the Microsoft Certification Exam 70-744. So again, we need to launch Powershell. To do this, let's go to the Start menu. And from our tiles, let's select Windows Powershell, and let's right-click and Run as Administrator. So this first command can be used to identify what actions will be taken against inbound traffic coming into your firewall. This is the Get-Net Firewall Profile. If I hit Enter, you can see that it brings up the information about what is currently the action that will be taken when certain traffic tries to enter the network. This next command allows us to get all the information about the rules that are currently configured on our Windows firewall. Now again, this is going to be a lot of information, so let's go ahead and pipe it out. By using the pipe switch and adding in the word more, I can see just one page at a time. To see the next line of information, I just press my space bar one time. To see an entirely new page of information, I hit the Enter key. When you need to check to see what connection security rules are currently applied to your firewall, you can use the following command. Get-Net IPsec rule. Hit Enter. Now I don't have any rules for IPsec currently on this particular server, so I'm not going to get any information back. Now to see if ICMP traffic is exempt from your network, you can use this following command. Get-Net Firewall Setting. And you can see whether or not ICMP traffic is allowed or being blocked. Now to see how your ports are filtering traffic, you can use the following command. Get-Net Firewall Port Filter. Now again, this is going to be a lot of information, so let's put in that pipe and the word more and hit Enter. So now you can check the status of your port filtering, and when you're ready to view the next line of information, just hit your space bar one time, and if you'd like to see the next page, just hit the Enter key. Now the same as port filtering, we can do address filtering. And again, this is a lot of information, so let's type in that pipe and the word more so we can see just one page at a time. Now to see the status of your security settings for your firewall, you can use the following command. Get-Net Firewall Security Filter, and again, let's use that pipe command so we don't get a whole bunch of information that we can't filter through. Again, I'll type in the word more. I'll hit Enter. So when you need to check what applications are being filtered at the firewall, then you can use the following command. Get-Net Firewall Application Filter. And again, let's use the pipe switch and the word more to help us filter through the information. Now when you're ready to see more of the information, you want the next page, just hit the Enter key. That brings up the next page. And that's going to conclude this short video presentation on how we can use Powershell to examine the current configuration of our firewall using the get command. So if you have any questions or you have any concerns about any of the information that was presented to you in this short video presentation, please don't hesitate to reach out and contact your instructor, and I'll see you in my next video.